Let people see the smile.
That's right.
Dress it. Chiwoponi perfume ho kakra. What you say? Sra kakra. Menka se po ho. Babo modena sra kakra. Dress ye. Say jeans na abasha. Say sneakers na abasha. This is the day. We are office ho. We are juma ho. Baby, I won't pay juma. Go there with confidence. For sanitize a graphic for one side. Now, this is the day. I must. As a semi manager, who couldn't be one in you, or you didn't be one in you. One did you? It is not connected to your husband. Who couldn't be one in you? Was suffering to be one in it. Well, boss, I was a me, I'm a boss, me, I'm a senior brother. On your own, the energy, but I must create. Be creative. I told you between you and my tears. Miss Ressa, if you are the farm, I am so negative. My kind will become a me. But my kind you on your men so swaka. Let people see the smile.
That's right.
Dress it. Chiwoponi perfume ho kakra. What you say? Sra kakra. Menka se po ho. Dora. Dress ye. Mama Dora so for Manko. This is kind of 30 years never and 30 years. Yeah, bon command cancer. Also yaw. This is the learn to be silent. And it's going to be Casao. Now, rather than Kawanuntum, not drinking the Radeho, and rather than many pie year. Also, Papa, my mimi yet to say, you be beyond the cookery, one of them a corner, them. Mamma Usugumeso. Oh, Yabonkoma, Nenisyoba. Was one Mamiraho. Because no Yabonkomobi. Was it and Koma on me boy, Mamiraho, Nenisyoba. And I'm saying, so was it a means to Samiraho? Name one Mamma Kakai, Mamma Kakai. One macaca, but she has so become one more to Mama, thank you. What is having over command come and Passamaka? Nansumaka. Learn to be silent. Was one to me come out. She has said, Obey a dean. Mamma Dora. Mamma Dora so for Manko. I can't say between and Sunday. Okay, I'm a channel. I said 30 years never and you could free more. 30 years. Now, you're a bon command or cancer. I say, Yaw. A friend, Nana. Zanana. A yes, sir, but boom, she has so. Okay, good. Good. Boss, I was good. But I must create. Be creative. Be creative. On the Facebook, on the Facebook. You have already enjoyed the devotion Adom Ahengua already. And so now, yan sambre if you hanomana, yan shas yivra. You say no church no baby, no. You need to work on that. Yeah, bomodrina, yet to me abomodrina, yeah. The services on the internet more vigorously. Because Abaya Kasemo Asoribia Isha Abaya anyesa because of per se or your popular. Now pursue save the citizens. So the baya yadiano into Atese. And once over here airport, a lot of people are deported or Ghana for. Like me bisa say Ghana for mukra I'm on passport so mu deport to be ana. But eno menyanya kojo maybe sa kojo na mahwe. And pay me we am free kojo honorable na maybe sa. As ono menena na ye djuma ha na ja nyame kasa kire no akwa copy ho. Kojo honorable, good morning. Bacho baby I will be on pay one for so emme kakra na nka me no ye mompa kakra mfa and the wonya metia se phone as so ahwe so no aboye ho bai na wakra me no me no wa ma de papa pa bi ache and on the 19th so de my girlfriend ba ko pa just a free of frabrim ye free fie ba ko ya tena fie ba ko na ya bobra na ono de anyini na akotena obi so efie kama me kan won se ne o yama show adwo kunadu. Good morning darling, good morning baby, good morning adwo kunadu appear do Cynthia, good morning and your birthday and so yeah better nyame ase ama wo yeah better nyame ase ediama mame yeah Dr. Mariganza Ubabano and a birthday. Cynthia of Daughters of Glorious Jesus. We never say our birthday, can we didn't say and Kakwasiya da mode ne Kwasia da betra so mode yes celebration Kasia pa. Nanso so Omampanyini Nana Adodankwa Akufuado. One ne cabinet trans Yerome Hunu say ihia say mutimi eye ho adwuma se ye ma adwuma ne nhyiemu akese ekofom se de be ya ye betumi a fight coronavirus. And so mujumedi amosisi billboards ni nyina no mo ankasa mo twelete de ababo ntense ema so baya de Antisa mubi man no makasa dentina osa baya sa dentina baya sa. So daughters, thank you. Minimum sorry almost see billboards. In fact next week I am papa 30 years. Papa Francis Akosiama 30 years I am a friend call heaven. I think next week say ye crusades me and sa bako achimota bako ewo race course and yeah back also ACC and was it kakari brobe dansuma and SCC and I say billboard SCC yaboka, but it is good for Ghana. So I just happy birthday. Why would you birthday? They be also happy birthday, irrespective of whatever is going on in the world. A global challenge. And so, me bacho, I know me on your mom pie. And son, your baby pie. My man can't we say in fama. My man can't we say in fa ingu wasumana. When I say when ya me ugusuye na wangwa juma. Mama Facebook no me dama say. What's our YouTube? Me da say what YouTube honor. What's our YOA? Write it down. YOA. Thank you very much. YO is so to me at some honum. YO a lot of messages or honor ya dear Google web na to me motivate you. Na adiare cheno. Na adiare chete sese brahayana. Paul sre wonyina se wonidi. No can say the do enani matena ho a. Edim wada monfa bibia nka amano. Meka ne bio. Na adiare cheno Paul sre wonyina se monidi. No can say enna pori eduni matena ho a modi imwada monfa bibia nka amano. Ubi bi sasa here for pacho kas free oken carefree asmafo nyuma etie dio no enso. Acts chapter 27. Acts chapter 27. The verse number 33. Acts chapter number 27. Now dear Chino Paul Esra wonyina semunidi. No can say the do enenia matna hwa. Modi imwada momfa bibia anka mano. Eti mesra mo se munidi. Na eno nso so ebeje monkwa. Na mesra mo se munidi. Na eno nso so ebeje monkwa. Na mumu biara enwi empo entum free ni triso. Shabagasa. That is powerful. Eti mesra mo se munidi. Sabra ba kwentio we say etobre bia ehun eba. Fear is contagious. Ehun esai. Say ehun bomia. Ebebo me yere. Ebebo me ma. Ebebo wonsoso. When fear grips leader, that same fear will just descend into the citizens. Fear is contagious. Fear. Ehu ebe nipa soa. Nase wenya obi dealing with the fear. The fear of unknown. Adie mi unoda, adie binya me da. Na mate honsem. Na edi ehu eba meso. The Bible says, one leader came out. One leader came out. Once a Jordan Amenoke came free, 2 Chronicles chapter number 20. Abra ombani bo ehuno. Jehoshaphat. Efre wo many nyina say debi baby adru no de. We can keep quiet. O heda kan say de atoye awade ye ni ahodene. Aye betimi de agina edom yi a eba yanim yi anim. We have no strength to withstand this kind of challenges. But shedi awurade nyame enam Jehoshaphat so ye. Ahano Paul and one man nyina nam. And there was a fear because one more offense a boatum and a boatum and from me bono. They could not manage and control it. That should say a hot noman Paul were a prisoner. Ladies and gentlemen, no a prisoner or their fiancé. Ebian Kamena Hua, Kabaka a prisoner dear. A dear will be to me a dear boy or mine. But the prisoner contributed. Trying to say the prisoner, a dear air channel, the prisoner, possibly Ebia in society, a woman. One said that a Tobrebia no be Casa was a monamo bemu, was so bem. Never look down on yourself. Eti Paul or your prisoner, no, a dear channel. Was sre when you know, I didn't in a prison guards no and to me and Casa. I didn't in a boat no ship no woman, the leaders could not talk because fear has gripped all of them. Who are Jack ne who achichreno? Who are Mammy ne who achichreno? Who are Papa ne who achichreno? Who are President ne who achichreno? Who are as and sorry de camfo ne who achichrenia? Adie bi ebesi bia insense ya be confront to situation no na ye massage no. But how many times can we massage the fear in the sex time? But trying to say Paul stood alone. Monsieur Radi said Omampanyini why are there and sorry yantena say mayenye din mayen inshia. Let us motivate the system. Yankasanchira ombaino say there is hope for our future. And it is all. That is why in time like this, we hear one more be funya ejem. Ye hear one na one ma jirimu do, one nimu dia, one more kasapa, one wa jempa, one susuye pa, one wa daya soul. The dreamers, the people that think about the citizen. And you one more, I didn't why they say, shut up your mouth and let us talk here. This is Paul. What's an idea to Paul is one you know say munidi. No can say a dead duning the man say matna munidi mudi muada because there is a fear in the system. There is a panic because of pandemic. There is a panic because of pandemic. Pandemic and the panic about 16. And who will calm the situation down? The Bible says a honor and a Paul sorry and a Paul shouts. Who will be the Paul? Who will be the Jehoshaphat? Jehoshaphat bay and a sorry let the church arise. Obi say so I sorry you cry you see mama nya sorry but yanka say me your mom pie. Aban won to be in casa me your mom pie. Enya de obekampo. Waka kura nya adwuma. Empire de yebebo. Sufra nya me de yebebo. It says Roman Fongoma etia eye dumiensa mamen kai hokakra. Ofrata kai honom kai hokakra sana. Romans chapter 12. Romans chapter 12. Romans chapter 12. Chapter 13. Romans chapter 13. Romans chapter 13. Romans chapter 13. Yes, verse 1 and 2.
Roman Fongoma etia eyedu miensa nchimbaako enem yinu. Moma akra nyina mrebre.
Moma akra nyina mrebre won ho ase.
Enhye tumi
a.
Edi ade so no ase.
Tumi a edi ade so.
Na tumi biara eni ho.
Na tumi biara ni ho a.
Agye efri.
Let every soul be subject. Check it, bro. Let every soul be subject to the governing authorities. That is why Paul no know to for all Timothy say, yeah, mama mpaya mama hemfo, medikamfo. Because say obi dia obi a president, obi your man penina. The Bible indicates let every soul, one can say, let every society, and some of them, let every soul be subject to the governing authorities, for there is no authority except from God, and the authority that exists are appointed by God. Do you say he has given one man on man penny to me. It is a meme yes of when I'm say, oh man penny, what say, Messiah. I am fighting against the authority
of God.
Obi say na so okase ye say so man penny kase ma ye preach ya ebe no nwanwa okurum ha. Me preach ya ko preach wo Flagstar. Me preach ya me ko ni fie ne ba bia ote your friends ni ma hono me ko gira ne gate no and I will preach Christ. But thankfully on kase me yenkanya me asem. There are ways I bit me fast working, but in a situation where we find ourselves today, let us not meet and do church. We name it the coronavirus no bi unnim onia obi a wohwe nanim ahunu age wono ane body mu no obete. And so let every soul, one can say let who wish and who want. Bible can say let every soul, and yet they are pet. Let every soul, let every soul be subject. Bible no one account. It also for way argument be say what's you no. Let every soul. Now so why nyasa o kan ko for was if you disrespect the authority, one more was so would disrespect you. The no.
Was it to me a woho no nyankopon na ahya to ho. Nti papa nyame ahye bia to no. I don't know it. There you have a say what to be fie. Ana me no na ye adwuma na me ka se ye hia bompa was me de me ma. Ye se was me ma me de ye mako ye de ye be ye na de. Me mako be na de a. Ochina menka hwio ba ochina bi na enche bia no wo ka asema wo mo hye wase no so no betu atua on betie tia I don't think let us all abiding citizens and yet say we are not cowards, but as long as when yamia ma dikamfo no yentie de waka na yamfa kwan bia so aye betimi communicate the gospel to other part of the world. So now to pray abra yeshiano na Paul ekasai. Na Paul ekasai. Na Paul ekasai. Where you where? Who are you? Who are you in your system and your society where you found yourself? Na Paul ekasai. Na Paul ebue nano. Na Paul etu a man for Acts chapter 27, the verse number 33. Na dia che no. Paul sre wonyina se munidi no ka se ena dunia matena wa montimi ni die monfa bibia nka ma no enti mesre mo se munidi na eno nso ebeje mo nkwa bi. Na mumu biara enwi ba kumpo. De me de no no. Mumu biara enwi ba kumpo. Mumu biara enwi. Ha? Mumu biara ni nwi. Wunwi utiri so nwi, wabodwe nwi, wani ase nwi, wo moto mo nwi, enwi biara. Mumu biara jese, mumu biara enwi nwa ebetumi etu afri no because that time the system was tense. Wherefore I pray to take some meat, for this is for your health, for there shall not an hair fall from the head any of you. Mutini ba kumpo. Ejebusia de ye hono etrinwi ba kumpo. Etrinwi ba kumpo entu coronavirus onam. Me catch onura say onu obie na no according to my Bible Psalm 91. Check Psalm 91 verse 3. Wo bie na no nanso urade be giyan efri saa yare bone ama na man yadwe se nyankopon pa de hwe se coronavirus ntino o mai bia de wa che na yonku hwe opa obia yemre de onyemra ye nyankopon de onyemre ye nyame woguso edaso eye ni nyame arapay baby awo bia no mame no me no ye ndwene kakra na yensusu kakra mame hwa de mra
ye hwe niema hodo bia ye de bebo ye ho ban free coronavirus ye hwe se ye de suo ene samena ebe wo hye yensa anya kra no be 20 seconds se wo ho wonsa ensuo ne samena ni wi a hwe se wo tishu ebe pepa na watu atwene dustbin mu se wo bowa anase wo hunsia ye straw so be kata wo hene ana be kata wano se paadie ehu behia se niema mu asoso no ubejai se unwo hye wonsa ensuo ene samena hwe se wo fa wonsa enko wani wo hene anase wanumbra ekeka wo Mede de afia man kwata makro. Pomodin komo twetwe shia me wa Adom TV enkwahia so. Memenda nwumre no nso bia. And anyin say ni awo wa Adom 106.3 FM. Bedasi.
For your damn so Mwana mama ye senye Etie wa sendika be ya sedo Ye wa jumbi tu be ya sedo awurade abo ya me nya mfie no ma multimedia si umake umi na awurade asi o etie wa sendika be ya sida ye wa jumbi tu be ya sedo Everybody boy and me and feel you no more multimedia see get that more so Saturday oka yes I jump in here to Everybody boy and me and feel you no more multimedia see get that more so
Akwenhyia wo hoi esida ebetumi aye afidie akwenhyia ana ebetumi aye akoma yare ana emdwudwui mpo ni awudi kan ye no ehu hia pa se yade a wankasa wanya akwenhyia ana wohu akwenhyia a fra 112 nenya muaye intem efri afidie a wode fa ayarefo ani nya akomatoyem efise afidie a wode fa ayarefo bebro ahasa na abagana Fre 112 womre a wapomodin mu ayedin nejewo ene wabusuafo ene wadofo enkwa 112 emwa beba 112 nya hobambo memfre emre a wonhia moa esanse ebetumi ama obi a ohia emwa enkwa efri ninsa ye omamba pa
Asida be na betumi di ama nyameti ase phone na waboye ho ba na wahwe so no akra na ababesi enei no chance ye ekenkan me wakwaba ebadwumadi so ebi afe na wabie wafidi ya from Yaw Owusu-Ansah na ye yawo ada nyameti ase phone aya ama ye nyina sese ye ma ye nije na ye sepa ye ho na ye trontrom na ye kamfo no na efe ye kenkan na sem ye hye ye ho den ye hye ye ho nkran me ne wakenkan efri atwere ahodo miensemo me kenkan free obi atwere was it's not easy coming to Europe and come to Europe and see. Yes, I've been watching, I've been monitoring Europe there and nya there that from sir, but you see that is the reason why I'm in no Kenya me asem from Facebook and from the radio as mafo nyuma etie duo no enso Acts chapter 27 the verse number 33 Acts chapter 27. And while the day was coming on, Paul besought them all to take a meat and saying, this day is the 14th day that you have tarried and continued fasting, having taken nothing. You have never taken nothing. And wherefore I pray you take some meat, for this is for your health. for there shall not an hair. Utini ba kumpo. Utini ba ko. You see, a dobre bia a hu amene a nipa. Medical catch or so fear is contagious. Fear is either you like it or not. Say a who come here, ebe come ma. A who come here, ebe come yere. A who come here, ebe come wafasi. A who come here, wa utie me no ozu who ni be count because utie me kasa. I bet you say, hey, Owusu-Ansah wabung. Fear is contagious, ladies and gentlemen. Yadiano ebi kurana emewo, but the fear of it. Say, uba wakitu ebia osiyasa adiye bi ayame. Unwensi kitu ebia osiyasa adiye bi ayame. Awadu kitu ebia. So fear is contagious. Ehuwe esa. What did the ankrofo keka noa? Roman fongman say, now faith come by hearing. Gideon namotieso. Eti dia wote no ebetimi ama wugidi akosoro anase be say wugidi ote dia meka na say what you hear, it can boost up your faith or it can bring down your faith. So you circumspect the obese wutie no wankasa no choose the obese wutie ene dia wuntie overata so what you say
mba jo metiase pa baba hase na uhwe ba bia wo monam no a pone asoche apempem wo ama ehu ewura wo mu
eframa ebo ne ye bi
ebo no apempem wo na ma ehu awura
ene wo ma ye sheep mu adwuma na mon check sound no be actually the sound whatever mon check it
na papa said yes say ko wiase a ofa amaman bebrebe no obefa anazo bebie no obetie radio na abati se aha no we na asi aha we na asi Ghana ha we bia ba ha ensia enso ni nyina amadi hu bebrebe ewura nipam enti obi wo nkura no asese efie mam kwada ba omnyina ofie somehow ya kwada nta omnyina efie nti anod petumi di hu awura mu man niam bi wo no so
that is the time that you need somebody to speak na makacho say na ono Paul so oye prisoner oye obi a wode fiase and you transfer from one country to another and then from back in the midst of all the prisoners was sorry and yes I no kasa de ye hunu de ekoso no yes I ntio. But you see, somebody must speak out in the midst of fear, in the midst of pandemic, in the midst of challenges. Send ye kobiano as a so will be sorry no kasa. And nuntina mene wo kasa say na Paul catch them say mon sorry na monidi. Na no so be mama e be boost mu immune system no kakra. Na e boost immune system no. Mutrinwe ba kumpo enya de be pre e de free mutiso. Can I speak the same word? Menkasa asem kuri emfangu utiri so no wapampa so wo fie no ma me no ma wonana no mo ene wasefo mumukuru kurara ehwere ne kra.
Baba say 14 days
mumukuru kurara
ni
ya quarantine nanso mu ba kokura onguda was utini bako enya de betu free utire so and I no pay ya de ba be she onkran is there anything koso wadwene ne wakomam ye bewu ye be she ye be sa abusua utini bako mpo I don't know madema wo utini bako mpo enya dia e be free utini so utrinwi baako na chese owuo emma awurade beje yen Psalm 91 ono na oje free yade a ehu yade seye oje yen utrinwi anopai de me woma wo na me de show nkura say utrinwi baako wo ba baako wo nana baako wo soa baako wo brewa baako wo yire baako I came with this message of assurance and of hope. Utrime ba kumpo. Enyira emfiri utire so. Twa wakoma to yem. De ye hunu no, say na gasi e bedi akire dia.
enka fasanyo no me nia ye hunu emu ya bamuda daughters and Cynthia birthday yemfa sorry vreta kasa
abada no Yesu kansen bi se osi se yentumi mfa yetin ba akukura nka ye ho a ada na adwendwen na ahazo apostle kase enya de yetin ba akumpo ebetumi afiri ho that means was yenya ahotoso ewo nyame asem
what you say doctors omo ye kakra obetumi aye abaye ye kakra obetumi aye but the nkwawa ne nsem no ye awurade
oni ewurade
sanitizer woni bi enso wo semina wo fie ohoro wonsa enfansa nhihye ohwinim enfansa nhihye wo asom enfansa nhihye ba bibia wo de bomodena ohoro wonsa na yempejam paibo abai se ma yenhyiahia ye ne ayeyi oyonti ba no ma ahyefia yemfa mpaibo meso oko wayo yebaya asore why yebaya asore de ama ya asore de yebaya mesi abai ntimi nkase ma yenka nyame asem eno de ontimi nka wakakura mpo no de atu afiase a will be like the same Paul. Even in the prison he was preaching Christ. Now by kind. And so what is your problem? I don't know how sir. I was here the radija what the radija the radija verata bompire my enko
bajo ye bompire yele wasinya bitum for ye show de animunyam ye maso ye crown shirane na se ayeye ne nkamfo ye wodia ye bompire eja o mamu ni nyina eba wanim ye tiefo nyina eba wanim wo Yesu Kristo dimo de asie de ekoso de o mate de enam wiase nyina ma edi hu awura wo mam inam wanumu asem so a Paul ekaye ekagu maso anopei di ehu abawura no ma wontumi mpie dempo ye simple aise ebi epie no wo Yesu di mo ne ye bompa ye pagya mo he de on ba Adom Ahengua nanim wo Yesu di mo ye bompa se urade wo betene wonsa ma Bible ma hoden ya hye so ye mro no so mantem efie mu e wo Yesu Kristo edimo Emo bibiara timi ba kumpo
Erade memma obi biara etrinwi ba kumpo entento memma obi biara etrinwi ba kumpo. This is our prayer, oh God, to you. Memma obi biara trinwi ba kumpo menu for yata ya adwene wo studio ha yani wanyina se rade memma obi biara trinwi ba kumpo wona Paul so kai we speak prophetically memma obi biara trinwi ba kumpo Ghana fo a wa manone yani e wo krodua yimo wana wo every continent memma obi biara etrinwi ba kumpo enframa bebo ehum betu bewrade memma obi biara etrinwi ba kumpo memma obi biara etrinwi ba kumpo entento what Jesus Christ demo Prosame do sia what Jesus demo erade also erade nkrao erade mo ho ban erade entutu anamo ensiye what Jesus Christ demo ena me bompai one oma one wabusua erade mamutri nwe ba kumpo entento de biarada. Amen and amen and amen.
Amen.
Osenya me aduma ochina beto so. Bye bye. Mama ba konra with your birthday mama menye Vida come mama Vida come. Good morning. God bless you. Ubia utie na kaise makenkanya chiro Acts chapter 27 the verse number 33 and 34 say rade ma wutiri nwi bakumpo bakumpo enframane bo but let me assure you wutiri bakumpo ketwa mpo sanye wa na betwetwa egu a wutiri nwi bakumpo enya de a ebetimi ateato